Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video I want to share with you all 3 products that I recently got that I am really loving. The first product I have is the mini food chopper. I did show you guys this on Instagram and I'm really loving this because it is portable, it is cordless, and it's very powerful, and it has 3 blades, so I really like that. And it does process garlic, so I'll show you guys. The other item that I have is this pizza peel, and I like this because if you have a pizza stone in your oven, you can take that pizza stone out of your oven. If you're making numerous pizzas, you want it to remain in there, and this comes in handy because you can go with this into your oven, slide it under your pizza, take it out, and then bring it onto the counter. So that's why I got this, and I really like it. It's nice and sturdy. It has a really strong handle, and the good thing about it is I can hang it up like this because it does come with this leather strap here, so you can, it stores really easily. And the last item that I got is this walnut cutting board. Just look how beautiful this is. Look at the color, look at the grain and the pattern. It's really beautiful. It does have this drip edge, so if you're cutting vegetables, it's not going to drip onto your counter. So I think what I'm going to be using this for mainly is as a cheese board or for presentation purposes, because it's so beautiful. I really don't want to chop on it. But if you guys are interested in any of these products that I've shown you, I'll leave each of the links in the description box, so go check it out. So I hope you all enjoy this quick unboxing. It's been a while since I did one of these, so thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.